I'll show you how easy it is to record a presentation in PowerPoint. And if you'd like to have any teleprompter text, just add it in the notes. Then click the record button and it brings you to the record screen. Now I'm in the teleprompter view, but if I click on this button, I can change to presenter view. And then I'll go back over to teleprompter view. When you're ready to start recording, just click the record button. And when you want to stop, click it again. This button here will pause your recording. Located down toward the bottom, you'll see the buttons to move from slide to slide. I'll start recording so you see what it looks like. You get a countdown prompt. Then I can start recording, and then when I'm finished, I just click this button again. Then I can review the video, and if I like it, I'll click X in the upper left corner. And then if I'd like to save this file, I'll just go to File and choose Export. And then I'll click the PDF and I'll change it to either MP4 or a movie file.